Morning. Welcome to The Key. I'm John Monahan, retired captain, founder of The Key.
George Mifsud, retired captain, been teaching with the Key for the last 20 years.
Kevin Ward, retired chief, NYPD,
Retired three-star chief.
and partner in the Key for 20 plus years.
So good morning. The reason we gathered here this morning is to make an announcement. We're going to run a free year-long course to help prepare you to study. It's not time to study yet. The exams are going to be 2026, maybe 2027. Time to study will be soon, but not yet. We're going to run this one-year course to help you to get ready. It's going to be about an hour a week for a year, okay? But first, before I tell you more about the course, let me tell you who we are. I met Kevin and George just before. I founded this business in 1998. We are today former police commissioner, three-star chiefs, two-star chiefs, borough commanders, squad commanders. We were all anti-crime cops at one time. We have put together a tremendous team. As far as the book and the material, I was the commanding officer of MODS, that's Management Orders and Directive Section. I wrote and published the patrol guide. I have been studying that book. I retired 20 years ago. I studied every day since. No one knows the book as well as we do. Now that book, it's not a student's handbook. It's not meant to be studied from. We took the entire book and turned it into a study guide. That's what this is. This is your textbook for your exam. It decades in the making. There are people out there that have passed their exam, never read the patrol guide. I'm not recommending that, but there are people who've relied just on our material and have passed their exam and been promoted. So George and Kevin will come up and tell you a few more things about this upcoming course. Lastly, let me just tell you this. In 1997, I took my captain's exam. I wrote the highest score citywide. I was number 33 on the list because I got promoted 2 days before the test. George, number 2 on his list. Kevin, number 3 on his list. We have numbers 1 and 2 in the background doing research for us. We are a tremendous team, and I'm going to let Kevin and George go up and tell you more about all that.
Fun fact for you guys, on the last sergeant and lieutenant exam, 80% of the top 100 scorers were Key students. If those numbers are not good enough, go to our website, take a look at our reviews, testimonials, and if you still need more assurance that we're the best in the business, speak to any of your sergeants, lieutenants, or captains. We anticipate the next sergeant and captain exam to be administered approximately 1.5 to 2 years from now. The next lieutenant's exam should be administered approximately 2.5 years from now. Some competitors are telling students to start studying now 1 hour a day. We say no. We strongly disagree. The Key believes students should start studying 6 to 9 months from the anticipated exam date. Our 1-year free online course will begin Monday, February 17th, which will include a bi-weekly 1-hour video lesson that will cover most tested patrol guide and administrative guide procedures. We're also going to cover any recent revisions to the patrol guide and admin guide. We're also going to cover legal bureau bulletins and penal law, and we are going to provide you with a bi-weekly quizzer. We will keep you ready by providing you with laser-focused material covering the most tested procedures over the last 37 years on promotional exams. These procedures make up approximately 70 to 80% of your test. By following our method, you'll stay fresh and be ready to study hard when the test is announced.
In addition to the Key videos, we're going to provide you with Key lessons plans, which break down the most highly tested procedures in the patrol guide, the administrative guide, the penal law, and legal bureau bulletins. These easy to read and easy to study summaries are essential for your success on the exam. Many of our students only read our material. We recommend that you read our material and use the patrol guide, administrative guide, penal law, and legal bureau bulletins as a reference. We will also provide you with questions. Some of these questions will be rewrites of prior exams, which you can evaluate your success and your progress during our course. At the Key, we are not a one-man show. We have unrivaled success on promotional exams. We have advanced degrees from Harvard University, NYU, and New York Law School. We have written prior promotional exams, patrol guide, and administrative guide procedures. Most important is our real police experience. We were anti-crime sergeants, SOLs, squad commanders, precinct commanders, and borough commanders. We worked on patrol, the detective bureau, and the narcotics division. We incorporate this experience not only into our lesson plans, but into our lectures. Our key teaching style is we're our mentors and coaches. We're not drill sergeants. We'll teach you what to read, what to study hard, and what to memorize. We'll teach you how to study smart and when to study hard so you're prepared to do well on your next promotional exam. Not only are courses free, but anybody who signs up will receive a 10% discount on any future courses. To sign up, visit our website at nypdthekey.com. That's nypdthekey.com, or just scan one of our QR codes on our flyer. In closing, we like to say that some people are telling you to study an hour a day now. The Key, we're telling you to study an hour a week now. Start slow, pace yourself, and study hard next year. In the meantime, stay safe. Godspeed.